Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about Samsung TV BU8500. We often struggle to find good equipment that presents good value for money, that offers us the best features, or almost, and at the same time does not make a hole in our pocket. The Samsung TV BU8500 TV series is a good deal in this regard, because it brings the best technologies, but without a ridiculous price. This is a TV model that is striking for its design, slim and elegant to say the least, which incorporates much of the most cutting-edge Samsung features, and is marketed for a base price of €649 for the 43-inch model, which is the smallest of the series. But let's take a closer look at its features. If there is one thing that makes this new series of TVs stand out, it is undoubtedly the design. The manufacturer has baptized it as AirSlim, and it is not for less, because this is an ultra-thin screen, adjustable to perfection in any living room or room in which it must be adapted. Another of the great advantages of the new series of Samsung Crystal LED BU8500 TVs is that they feature dynamic crystal color technologies. With this, the manufacturer promises a more intense range of colors, with realistic and clear content. The panel in question is formed by a conglomerate of crystalline inorganic nanoparticles, which reproduce more than 1 billion colors. It also has an intuitive operating system, Tizen, which can be easily customized and adapted to the user's real needs and preferences. The model is marketed in different screen sizes: 43, 50, 55, 65, and 75 inches, with a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels and a refresh rate of 50 Hz. In terms of internal machinery, Samsung's BU8500 doesn't fall short either. The TV has a true 4K resolution, offering up to 4 times more pixels than a full HD model. What does this translate into? Well, much clearer and sharper images. This is thanks to the Crystal Processor 4K, which also promises a good experience for those users who not only use the TV to watch content, movies and series, but also enjoy video games. Motion accelerator technology makes gaming much smoother because frames are improved, FRC, and moving scenes are optimized up to 120 Hz in 4K. On the other hand, and like all Samsung models, this series of TVs works through the Tizen operating system. Through this, you can access streaming services such as TikTok, Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, or Apple TV+, among many others, as is already quite common in smart TVs that we can find in the market today. One of the features that most caught our attention of this series of Samsung TV BU8500 has been the advantageous options and features in terms of sound technology. To begin with, it should be noted that the Samsung TV is prepared to adjust the sound when variations in the scenes are detected. It does this through an artificial intelligence system. But there is more. The new sound experience proposed by Samsung is based on a new sound experience, Object Tracking Sound Lite, which offers 3D surround sound and, thanks to artificial intelligence, plays the sound in the exact place where the action occurs. On the other hand, it should be noted that thanks to Samsung technology, it will not be necessary to add 1001 speakers in your living room to enjoy a surround sound experience. The entire series of TVs are compatible with the Q Symphony system, which is nothing more than a soundbar that will create a surrounding atmosphere around. Of course, all who want to sign up for this experience will have to purchase the Q Symphony bar separately. Its price can reach, on offer, €860. As it could not be otherwise, the Samsung TV BU8500 TV series has 3 HDMI outputs, 2 USB and Ethernet inputs, to connect comfortably to the internet via cable. In addition, it has Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2, which ensures full communication between all connectable devices that we have at home. As for the control, we can say that in this case, Samsung has looked to the future, because it presents the Solar Cell Remote, which is an environmentally friendly remote control that does not work with disposable batteries, but has a solar panel on the back that supports continuous charging during sunlight hours. This same remote has a built-in microphone to facilitate voice assistant functions. As we indicated at the beginning, the Samsung TV BU8500 is marketed in different formats, depending on the diagonal of your screen. Thus, In the market we can find it in the following dimensions, which will determine the difference in the final prices. 43 inches costs €650, 50 inches costs €710, 55 inches costs €800, 65 inches costs €1,000, while the 75 inches costs €1,400. These prices are the official prices in the Samsung store, but if you need them, you can opt for different financing modalities. The largest model, for example, can go for €38.86 per month for up to 36 months, if you finally decide to pay in installments. You can check the purchase and financing conditions through the Samsung website. Here ends our video on Samsung TV BU8500. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.